What if you could predict what your customers will do before they do it? With AI, that's no longer a fantasy, it's reality. In this video, you'll discover how artificial intelligence predicts customer behavior, helps businesses make smarter decisions, and creates marketing strategies that actually convert. Every marketer dreams of knowing exactly what their customers want before they even say it. Traditionally, we've used surveys, demographics, and analytics to guess. But AI takes it several steps further. It uses massive amounts of data, clicks, browsing history, purchase patterns, and engagement, to build accurate predictions about future behavior. And the best part? These insights are available to everyone, not just big corporations. Let's explore how you can use AI to understand your customers at a deeper level and make marketing decisions that actually work. 1. Predictive analytics, the brain behind customer forecasting. Predictive analytics is where AI shines. Tools like Pecan AI, Salesforce Einstein, and RapidMiner analyze customer data and detect patterns that humans miss. They can forecast who's likely to buy, who's about to churn, and even how much a customer might spend next month. This gives marketers the power to act, not react. Example: if your online store data shows customers viewing a product twice but not buying, AI can flag that person for a retargeting email or discount offer automatically. 2. AI-powered segmentation and personalization. Forget one-size-fits-all marketing. AI tools like HubSpot, AI, Dynamic Yield, and Optimove can automatically segment your audience based on real-time behavior. That means each customer gets the message that fits them, not just their demographic. One customer might see an offer about efficiency, another sees one about creativity. Both feel understood, and that builds trust. 3. Churn prediction and retention. Losing customers costs more than gaining new ones, but AI can help prevent it. Tools like Amplitude predict churn zero, and Retently AI track engagement signals and flag users at risk of leaving. You can then automate retention campaigns, like personalized discounts or "we miss you" messages, before the customer disappears. Instead of reacting after the loss, AI helps you protect your customer base proactively. 4. Predicting product or content success. AI can also forecast which products or content pieces are likely to perform best before you even launch them. Tools like Crimson Hexagon and Black Swan Technologies analyze social sentiment and engagement trends across platforms. They'll tell you if people are excited, indifferent, or confused about your upcoming offer. Imagine knowing what the market thinks before you spend a cent on ads. 5. Integrating predictive AI into your daily marketing workflow. You don't need to be a data scientist to use AI predictions. Many platforms now have plug-and-play solutions. HubSpot, ActiveCampaign, and Zoho Marketing Plus all include predictive features. They analyze behavior patterns and automatically adjust messaging, timing, and targeting for you. Once you connect your data, AI does the rest, quietly, continuously, and accurately. AI doesn't just analyze the past, it predicts the future. By understanding customer behavior before it happens, you can build marketing campaigns that connect more deeply and perform more effectively. Start simple. Use AI to predict who's likely to open your next email or who's about to leave your product. Then scale up to full predictive analytics as your confidence grows. The future of marketing isn't guessing, it's knowing. And with AI, that future is already here.